Well, it is like 6:15. We're gonna make a little bit of an attempt to go after steelhead tonight. We got the whole evening and all this weekend too. And we're gonna be fishing rivers for steelhead. Come down to our first spot. I think the water's just right. Don't have a whole lot of company here, so we'll see what happens. Should be a good day. A couple just before that one, I had a really nice hit. But if I hook up on a steelhead in here, I'm kind of screwed. I don't really see any situations where I'm going to win, but it'd be cool footage anyway. So we're at the last spot for the night. Just had that one hit. Nothing else is coming, giving us a tap, so we're just going to give this hole a little bit. This little run here, see if it pans out. It isn't much. Oh, we're on. We're on. Little sucker. Or was that a little rainbow? That was weird. Another little, probably same little guy. All right, well, that does it. We had probably an hour and some change. Not too bad. I mean, we had a hit that I definitely think was a steelhead. Hooked a couple residents that I guarantee were the same fish. It's beautiful out. It's probably like 60 right now. So it's kind of just hard not to enjoy this. I got a heck of a fun walk back to the truck. All right, so it's probably around 6:30. We're gonna get after it in our first hole. See if we can get one. It's still fairly dark out. Looks a lot darker on camera, but it's still pretty dark out. We're kind of set up for a good few holes on the way back. So I switched up to a float. We're gonna give that a shot. We fished probably 45 minutes to an hour with the bobber, or with the drift rig. So now we're gonna give the float thing a try. So we're fishing the fast water. We're gonna give it a shot because tail out water, that didn't hold any fish for me, and I don't know, gotta try it all. I've been fishing for probably half hour now. I'm not counting her out yet, but what the hell? I don't know, I felt something. It was either a snag or a fish, and god damn it, tackle boxes. Oh Jesus. Alright. So we gotta walk back. Alright, we're re-rigged. I don't know if that was a fish or not, because the knot just came undone. The line just kind of went tight, and I pulled, and it was odd. But not the slow water or the fast water, so it's my thought anyway. Well, I see a guy around the corner, so first person we run into. We're still a ways away from the truck. I don't know. Nothing in this run. Just keep going. Fish everything. Fish anywhere we can until we get back to the truck. I'm not really No rush. So we're at last hole for the morning. It's close to 10 o'clock and nothing's really happening. Everyone I talk to is laid a goose egg, just like me, so I'm just gonna give it the old honest effort. Hell, I'd even guarantee it. Oh, there's a fish. We're hooked up. Nice steelhead here. Just slammed the bead. Can't move him an inch. I just lost one in this run not too long ago. First hookup of the freaking trip. And this is a spunky fish. Wow. Yeah, I might have to chase this one down. He is just going and not stopping. We're on the chase. Whew. Wow. I think it's a nicer one. I saw kind of it do a tail splash and it doesn't seem like a bad fish. So it's got me in this little run here. I mean, he just hit it so hard out of nowhere, and he's going. Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah, this is a nice one. Oh. It's going right upstream past me. I haven't even seen this fish. Yeah, it's a nice one. Golly, I don't even know where I'm gonna land him. Of course, I leave the net in the truck. Because of how the rest of the weekend was going. I thought, what the hell? Man, I can't really tell. Just can't really see the fish. I don't know what I'm dealing with here. Oh. Yeah, that's a long one. Long hen. I think that's what we're working with here. Don't bring me downstream again. Yep, we got a nice long hen here. Pig. Just like that. There she is. Beautiful fish. Wow, unreal. Put up an impressive fight. Holy God. All right. Let's get a quick picture and send her back. Got this beautiful hen steelhead. We're gonna send her on back. There she goes.